Hey other guys, my name is Kumar. You are watching me. Let's start this video without having the further delay. So basically, this video is going to be the routine of 6th May 2025, and today is Tuesday. Basically, throughout the whole days of routine video, I'm going to share you like what is actually happened, right, and what is actually not happened. So I'm going to share you, right. So let's start. So basically today, first of all, I wake up, then after that I wash my mouth, right, then um, basically at the time of morning, my nephew and my niece as well as my mother eating together, eating food together, also me and my sister eating food together, right. So uh, after that I saw one of the quote, right. I saw one of the quote, then after that I read that, then after that I had taken bath, then also after some time later I clicked some photos, right. So yes guys, this is the thing what is actually happened, right. So now uh, so at the time of evening, me and my mother was totally ready to go my Mosa's home, right? To my Mosa's home, right? So yes, my mother's sister's husband home, or we can say Mosi's home, my mother's sister home, right? So basically, we are totally ready, and we went there through bike. So in the on the way, we have also purchased sweets. So after that, we went there, and what is actually happened? So after that, basically we went there, and I went there. Then we met them, right? So basically I just met them, and on the time when we there evening happened, so we actually talked to them. Then after some time later, we at the time of we talked about something topic. Then after some time later, at the time of the evening, we had done dinner. Then after some time later, we went for the sleep. So basically, this is the thing what is actually happened in my today's video. I hope you have really understood this video. If you have really understood this video, then kindly press like it, because whenever you like some videos, really motivates me and encourages me to upload more and more videos in a very continuous manner, right? So let's start. Yes, okay. Now, from today's video, I have to start from the small company, right? So, small company definition. Section 2 of 85 of the Companies Act 2013 defines a small company as a small company means a company other than public company. Okay, a small company means a company other than public company. Okay, right. Paid up share capital of which does not exceed 50 lakh rupees or such higher amount may be prescribed, prescribed which shall not be more than 10 crores. Okay, paid up share capital which should not be exceed 50 lakh rupees or such higher amount may be prescribed which shall not be more than 10 crores. Okay, turnover of which is a profit and loss account for the immediately preceding financial year does not exceed 2 crore rupees or such a higher amount as may be prescribed which shall not be more than 100 crore rupees, provided that nothing in this section shall be applied to public company, a holding company or a subsidiary company, a company registered under section 8, or a company or body corporate governed by any special act. Okay. Turnover here means the aggregate value of the uh, realization of amount from the sale, supply and distribution of goods or an account of services rendered or both by the company during a financial year. Salient features of the small company. Uh, Private company. Only a private company can be classified as a small company. Okay. Only a private salient features of a small company, private company. Only a private company can be classified as a small company. Okay. All small companies are private companies. Only a private company can be classified as small company. So all it means all small companies are private companies, right? But all private companies is not a small company, right? All small company is a private company, but all private company is not a small company. Okay. Now, types of the companies: holding company or a subsidiary company, charitable company, and company governed by any special act cannot be classified or mentioned as a small company. Okay. The status of the company. The status of a company may change from one year to another year. Thus, the benefits which are available during a particular year may stand withdrawn for next year and become available again in subsequent year. 4. In case of gradual growth of business, when there is gradual growth in business, if a company crosses any of the thresholds provided, either paid up the capital or turnover, then the company has to give its status of a small company and all the benefits granted for such companies. Criteria for qualifying as a small company. Previously, for qualifying a small company, it is enough to fulfill one criterion which is mentioned in definition in section 2 of 85. Later, the word or in the sub clause of section 2 of 85 was substituted by word and by company's removal of difficulties order dated 13 February 2015. Special provision and exemption for a small company. Okay. Special provision and exemption for a small company. Okay. Signing of annual return. Company secretary can sign the annual return of a small company alone, but in case there is no company secretary, then it is signed by a single director of the company. Okay. In an annual return, the company secretary can sign. If a company secretary is not present, then a single director can be signed. Right. Board meetings. Small companies may hold only 2 meetings. One meeting may be held in the first 6 months of the calendar year, and next in another 6 months. Minimum gap between 2 meetings is 90 days. Okay. Financial statement. Section 2 of 40 of the Companies Act 2013 says financial statement includes cash flow statement for the financial year. However, this section specifically excludes the requirement of cash flow statement for small companies. One-person company and dormant company. A small company need not include a cash flow statement as a part of its financial statements. Rotation of auditor. Provisions regarding mandatory rotation of auditor, maximum term of auditor being 5 years say in case of an individual and 10 years in case of firm of auditors, is not applicable to a small company as per section 139 of 2 of the Companies Act 2013. So here are some more details, that is matters to be included in board's report. Internal financial controls, lesser penalties for small companies under section 446B of the Companies Act 2013, fast track merger of small companies, professional certification for electronic forms, e-forms to be filled with MCA. So basically the last point is professional certification for e-forms to be filled with MCA as per Rule 8 of 12 of Companies Registration Offices and Fees Rules 2014, that the e-forms filed by small companies are not required to be pre-certified by chartered accountant or the company secretary, or the case may be the cost accountant. The whole time practice to promote small companies only stringent provisions of Companies Act 2013 which are impractical and suitable for administration and management of the large organization are exempted, right? So basically this is the thing what is actually happened. So from the next video I would like to discuss from the 1% company. So I think that it is enough for today, so let's end the video guys. See you all. Bye.